How to plant sago palms. The sago palm, from the Cycadaceae family, is not a true palm tree. Sagos lend a tropical look to the landscape or decor, but the leaves and seeds are poisonous, and can be deadly to pets or children. In spite of this toxic characteristic, edible flowers can be processed from the plant. Sago palms do well in warm, tropical climates. Allow about a 6-foot diameter around the area where you will be planting your sago palm. Things you will need: garden knife, powdered rooting hormone. Find a sago palm shoot. Look along the base of a mature sago palm. Growths or shoots, referred to as pups, may be growing along the base of the plant. They look like bulbs and may have green top shoots. Cut the pup from the plant, using a clean, sharp knife. Make a clean cut, and try not to damage the parent plant. Dust the cut portion of the pup with powdered rooting hormone, and allow it to sit for several days, out of the sun. Plant in a shady area of the garden, with a greenery exposed and the bark like pup buried. Sago palms prefer a well-draining soil that's rich in humus. Water well, but allow the soil to dry before watering again. Plant fertile sago palm seeds instead of pups. There are male and female sago palms. In order for a female sago palm to produce fertile seeds, it must be in the vicinity of a male sago palm for pollination.